Okay, but I'm a natural person. Ugly as I am, it's not my problem. Parents, shit, no romance. But being that as it may, being the as khuluma izinto ey'balulekile yabo. Mina angithandi to look down at people, to look down ningixolele ngesingisi. Ngiyazi sonke asiwaphathe ama-dictionaries. So ngizama ukuxuba isiNgisi nomageba khona so-understand-ana. Yabo, we come a long way, very long way. It's been hard, it's been tough. We've, we've persevered. We've been patient with all of some PS, whatever. So ilaba futhi Ntombi vula amehlo yabo, awubuke i-environment yakho, just around your environment, and tell me, do you like what you're seeing? If yes, then it's fine, comfortably so. If not, what are you doing about it? Because if you don't like what is around you and the environment and what have you, and you're not doing anything about it, logically, something is seriously wrong with you. Why? Because God created you to solve problems. If there's a problem you're not solving, honestly, you're just a waste on this planet. I'll say that again. If you're seeing a problem that you cannot solve and you don't like it and you don't have a solution, trust me, you're just a waste on this planet.